Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the Devant Anyview and choosing the TV's HDMI input. Once the device LED is steady, make sure your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. This speeds discovery. Open the Anyview Cast app or your system's screen mirror control and scan for devices. If a PIN prompt appears, use the 4-digit code shown on the TV. This gets you from 0 to detected device quickly, so you can move to pairing and streaming without delay. Once the Devant shows in your device list, tap it to initiate pairing. You'll see a pairing request on the TV too. Accept prompts on both ends, and make sure the on-screen PIN matches the code on your phone to avoid connecting to a nearby adapter. After pairing, pick the appropriate mode: screencast for mirroring your display or media mode for direct video playback, because each optimizes latency and quality differently. Now you're linked and ready to stream or mirror content. You finish by starting playback and confirming audio and video appear on the TV. If sound is missing, check the app's audio output setting and the TV volume. To end the session, disconnect from your phone's cast menu or press the Anyview power. If you run into problems, frozen stream, no device found, or poor quality, restart the router and both devices, then repair. Also check the Anyview firmware and update if available, since outdated firmware often causes compatibility glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.